We're going to transform this house into a reasonable house for chickens to live in. And this is where the chickens will eat the veggies, come outside, play, because we really don't want them eating that. This is what we want to deal with right now. Toy wasp. So I'll bring some smoke in and hope they disappear so that we can clear up the space and bring in some chickens. So guys, yeah, we are gonna go get our what? Chicken. Smile for the camera. Chickens. Chickens are coming and we're waiting to see them. Yep, that's the So we finally got the chickens.